Come test drive the 2017 Audi Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, security system, CD player, electronic stability control, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist. Come see the car for yourself.